How to split payment on Walmart. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app, or also you can log into your Walmart account in the web version. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Now first up, what you want to do is select the items that you want to purchase. Add those items to the cart. Click on the item, and at the bottom of it, you're going to find the option of add to cart. Click on that option. Once you are done adding the items to the cart, now what you want to do is head towards the cart section. Click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're on this page, you have to select the delivery option. Then click on the option check out all items. Review order. Now here you will need to select your payment method. Scrolling down, you're gonna find this section of other ways to pay. Select the option of AFIM. Pay in monthly installments with AFIM. Select the option of AFIM and continue with the process. With that, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily split payment on Walmart app. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.